Hello. So today I would like to introduce the fully structured and functional ERP system for hotel management. The client name is Babaji, as you can see in the top. So this is a fully structured ERP system, and inside this you can see all the options like calendar, sales, point of sale, inventory, accounting. And let me give you a brief description about what this is and what are the functions in each section. So calendar is for saving dates and remembering some important things that will be happening on the particular company. So in this case, it's a hotel, and it will be related to date fixing and things like that. Sales in another section is correct viewing or proper monitoring of the sales that has happened on a day wise or week wise or month wise. The user can go through options that are on this left side. As you can see, customer details, all the sales that has happened in the previous day or previous week can be viewed from this part of the section. Next comes the point of sale. Point of sale is the part in which the sale and billing actually happens. As you can see on the left side, we can go through the orders, sessions. Sessions means each table and each day is considered as a session. So for one day, it will be like one session. So when they close a session, that is at the end of the day, they'll be closing the session, and they can go through the session to analyze the day's sales and what all things happened on that day. And in this option, there's also you can see orders, sale details, and the sales that has happened on that day. And let me just give you a demo of how the billing actually happens. So I'm just going to resume the session, which will be taking me to the billing section. So it'll be loading. And after loading, as you can see, they have four places for food arrangement, like outside, ground floor, first floor, and takeaway. This is the structure of tables that have they arranged on that particular hotel. And in the outside, this is the table arrangement. In ground floor, there are only two tables. First floor, six tables. And takeaway means like a home delivery, and they can come and also take it away to their home. So let me just give you the demo of billing. As you can see, this is the billing section, and in this, as you can see, there are products. They are food products that are being cooked on there, and these are the filters, like sandwich. Inside sandwich we can see the sandwich products, and inside seafood we can see seafood. Like that, in each section the food items under them will be displayed, and this is done for ease access and for ease billing. And as in the left side, you can see this is a basic payment and billing credentials. And there are several added features like send to kitchen. What that means is that they will be having monitors on the kitchen, so they do not want to take notes on their book and go to the kitchen and tell them to cook this and that. They will be just placing the orders. Just let me show you a demo. I'll be placing the items, and all I need to do is just press send to kitchen. So the order will be sent to the kitchen, and there will be a monitor on the kitchen, so the chef and all the co-workers can view the products that have been ordered through the monitor. And this section will be handled by this billing section will be handled by the cashier, and cashier can also view the kitchen view, like just pressing here. And as you can see, there is the items that I have just ordered, and this will be showing the time that I have just ordered, and moreover the waiting time, how much time it has started to wait. And these are the flags, like after cooking they can just set it to done, or it's currently cooking or ready to serve, and when it's done it will be fully finished, and the order will be deleted from the queue, as you can see. So like that is the order placing in the kitchen section, and there are some other like we can add note like add more cheese. So it will be adding a note to the this section, and when we send it to kitchen, we can go to the kitchen view, and when we look, just a minute. Oh, I just deleted all those orders. So let me just place one more order. Um, note. Add, and then I press send to kitchen, and go to kitchen view and refresh. Yeah, as you can see, I have added a note, so the chef will be viewing this note so that they can make necessary changes on the product. And when it comes to billing, we can print the bill precisely, and as you can see, this is the layout of the bill, which will be having their logo and their details and the order number and the rest of the things like that. And one more option is there, we can add the customer details to the bill, so that there can be set like pre-default discounts and everything for the each customer. We can add new customers in this section, and we can add existing customers from here, the customer. And when we go to the billing section, we can see that the customer details are printed along with the other details in the bill. And we can take bill from print from this section. uh, so that is the printing of bill, and the payment of bill comes from this place, and we can choose whether it is a card payment or cash payment. This is the customer details. Invoice we can set as of their it is in Bahrain, they won't be having any tax, and the rest of the things are we can just tendered amount and validate. So it will be printing, and the cashier will be handling with the cash and all those things. So this is the basic layout of how an order is placed, and how things happen in the billing section. Let me go to other options like inventory. As you all know that inventory is a section where we can add all the products and raw materials. Like in this case, it will be sugar is a raw material, and all the vegetables that have been used for cooking are raw materials. All the things like that. Accounting, in this section, as you can see, we can add vendor bills and other sections like payment that has happened all along through the billing and everything else. If you just go through the left side, you can see all the options, and these things are handled in accounting. Payroll is set for employees, that we can add a employee, and we can set the payroll and payslip details in this section. All the employee details are stored in employees, and you can see we can also add the passport numbers, visa number, visa expiry date, and everything to this system, and it will be showing a notification whenever the visa is going to be expired, and everything like that. Attendance in this case, we have used a biometric sensor for keeping attendance, and they have also have a special thing like extra work, like added work. The employees can work extra hours, and it will be having an extra payment for each extra hours, and all these attendance are kept through the biometric sensors. Moving on to, we can add leaves and all those things in this place. Expenses means the expenses that has occurred for the corresponding company, and overall this is the total system. There is also a mobile app for the system, because the waiter will be taking orders from their mobile, and the session will be affecting the orders that are placed through the mobile system. So this is the full ERP system, fully structured ERP system, and I hope you got a brief idea, because I'm just going through all the sections fastly, because just to give you an idea. So this is the final system. It is an online server system, so we have used a dedicated server to implement this ERP system in the server. And that's all. Thank you.